You can't see me. Oh wow. Should I say that again? I don't normally get up this early. It's like 20 minutes earlier than I get up. Usually I get up at like 5. For the sake of filming, I have to get up a little bit earlier just in case. I also have to take the bus, so I have to leave by 6:10 instead of 6:30. So yeah, and I don't do eyeliner every day now, so I'm gonna try something new today. I'm gonna, of course, wash my face and brush my teeth right now. And then I'm gonna make my coffee and drink it while I get ready. It only takes me like 15 minutes to get ready, so it's not gonna be that bad. But I don't take coffee to school anymore because I take water to school now. I get so thirsty because it's so hot, and I also, like, I'm in weights class. Okay, I need to stop talking. So we're gonna go my face and brush my teeth, and then we're gonna go make coffee really early in the morning. The lighting is always really shitty in here, but one of my eyes are lazy. A little bit, can you tell? I'm gonna have to end up brushing my teeth again because I'm gonna drink coffee, but I just cannot stand not getting up and brushing my teeth immediately. It just bothers me. Like, I don't talk to anyone until my teeth are brushed. It's just how I am. No, I won't even. We're having a breakout moment and I don't appreciate it. So I use this kind of sugar. We have normal sugar. I just prefer the taste of this, so I don't know. And then my mom got the bigger coffee this time. It's freaking hate the dark. Judge me. Oh, this coffee slaps. Oh my god, I'm always drinking coffee in the morning now. I feel so much more alive. Maybe I'll even do my eyebrows better in the morning. Who knows? Ah. Stop. I set an alarm for 5. I set multiple. What the? Stop. I set like different alarms. I set one on my phone and one on Alexa because Alexa's really loud in case I don't get up to my phone. It's exactly 5 on the dot. Can you tell? I don't know. I just like to chill in the morning. I'm extra like that. You scared me. Happy birthday! Oh, thanks. You're a teenager. I forgot about that, honestly. Do you feel different? I just hate when people ask me that. Coffee? Or are you gonna go back to sleep? I don't really plan on it. I'm already awake. I'm trying a new thing of trying to drink coffee like when I get up, which honestly my eyebrows look better. So I forgot I had to do my hair. Why was I going like this? It's 5:18. Okay, I'm just straightening the 2 front pieces because I don't care. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Give me reasons why you should make a way. You should be with them. I can't compete. Okay, so I plan what I want to wear. Shut up. I plan what I want to wear like the night before. Like I just think about it, but I don't actually get it out. So I have to actually find it, and I have to hope that it's clean. I washed all my clothes like on Friday. So.
Kiss my butt.
You should be with them. I can't compete. I should be playing that. Yay! This is a shirt I wanted to wear. It's my favorite shirt. Okay, so this is my outfit. A flannel and some ripped jeans. These are my favorite jeans, even though they are like really big on me, but it's fine. I just pull them up all day. Yay. We love a good outfit. I love today's outfit. I think it's because it's just so chill. Puma doesn't have free dress. This video's kind of all over the place. What video of mine isn't? Now we're gonna put on all my bracelets. I don't put that many on now. It's fine. Deodorant. Love it. Expensive perfume. Better get away from that. Where's my earbuds? Okay, now we're gonna watch some videos because I didn't watch any yesterday because I was grounded. So my average view time went down and I'm kind of offended because my 16 years video, like, all y'all don't know that I was crying. Who doesn't want to see that? So if you haven't seen like the whole video, you should go watch it and watch me like sob and be like,
oh my god, you have a chapstick cemetery.
oh yes I do. I keep my chapsticks. We're gonna brush my teeth again. We have to leave in like 5 minutes. 10 minutes, sorry. 10 minutes. But I'm gonna take these last few minutes after I brush my teeth to watch some videos. I don't put in the full clip of me brushing my teeth because, ew. I brush my teeth very thoroughly. Not that you needed to know, but yeah. Okay, it's 6:01. Cool. I'm gonna go wake up my mom right now. Or not right now. I'm gonna wake her up in a few minutes because I have to go get my water because it is always hot. I don't know what the weather is today. Let's ask Alexa. What's the weather today?
Excessive heat warning in effect Wednesday, August 21st from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. The current weather is 61 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies. Today, you can expect mostly sunny weather with a high of 94 degrees and a low of 56 degrees.
That's not as high as usual. It's been in the hundreds lately, so I guess we're thankful for that. Hello. Hi. I take my mom's coldest water. Okay, this is obviously sticking out, but the reusable straw has like silicone on it. Silicone? I don't know if that's the right word. Rubber? Okay, this is Alex's shirt. He let me wear it, so I'm bringing it back to him. So 5, I'm gonna tell my mom the time and then she'll be like, okay. And then we'll leave in a few minutes. Haven't rode my skateboard in a minute, so why not do it now? Oh my god, look how pretty it is.